Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send your Capcut video directly to WhatsApp. This process works the same whether you're using Android or iPhone. First, open the Capcut app and go to your Project section. Tap on the video you finished editing to open it. Next, tap the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then wait for the export to complete. Once the video is fully exported, Capcut will automatically show you sharing options. Tap on WhatsApp from the list of apps. Select the contact, group, or status where you want to send your video and hit Send. If you don't see WhatsApp right away, tap the Share button and choose WhatsApp manually from your phone's Share menu. And that's it. Your Capcut video has now been sent successfully to WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.